What's up, you guys? It's Ryder. I'm here at Colorado Detail. Today we're going to be tinting Erik's Cybertruck. So let's get started. So Alex here is going to cut out the window tint. What are we using on this car, Alex?
Using Expel 15% XR Plus.
Yep, XR Plus, 15% on the sides. And then we will be doing the windshield and the sunroof in 70% XR Plus. Expel did just add the kits. So if you can see here, we have all the pre-cut tint ready to go. We're gonna see how well it fits. In the past, we've had some issues with new cars and the new kits, but we'll see what happens. So let's get this film cut out and we'll show you more of the tinting process. So Alex is cutting out the pieces here. This is going to be all the side windows for the Cybertruck. While he does that, I'm going to get started on cleaning and prepping the windows. So I'll have Henry film me. Alright, so first things first, we're going to trick these windows up and tape them off up here so that we don't damage it if we accidentally close the door. So if you come around here, what we use is just a little tool like this. Makes the door think that it's pushed in, and the window's going to roll all the way up so that we can tint it. Now I'm going to go ahead and tape off the metal here on the Cybertruck, so if we close the door on accident, it doesn't scratch it. It might dent, we'll see, but hopefully not.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Or only one way to find out.
Then we're going to do that with the rest of the windows. So this is why we tape off the Cybertruck here. If you were to close it, it will make contact with that A-pillar there. So we're going to do that with the rest of the windows, get them all tricked and taped up, and then we'll start cleaning the glass.
Okay. So it has to go 60 this way.
what I think everybody did.
So this tape also, we use it to let our other employees know not to close the door. They know if they see that there, that it's a sign that the windows are tricked up, and it's very important not to close it after that point. Well, Alex is gonna attempt to shrink this piece. We haven't done one of these yet. Sometimes you can get away without shrinking a window if it's mostly flat. However, we haven't done one of these. We wanna make sure it fits nice and tight, so see if Alex can get it shrunk here. It's looking like it's mostly flat. Usually when you have to shrink it, you'll see some fingers running up and down, like these little guys down here, where it's wavy. But this one's looking like it's pretty flat. Alex is going to create those fingers, whatever he can, and then we're going to use a heat gun, heat them out, and that's going to conform the window tint to the shape of the glass. And then we can get started on cleaning these windows and installing the film.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more. Real bad, bitch, got it like that. Got it like that. Real bad, bitch, got it like that. Got it like that. Got it like that.
Pretty good.
Is that like the end of the film, maybe?
No, it's not.
dreading tinting this.
It's a tight squeeze. It is a tight squeeze in here.
You basically have to lay on the dash, I think, to get weight under. Okay, ready? Yeah.
All right, guys, here we have Alex. He's putting on the window tint onto the outer side of the glass. And what this does is allow us to shrink the glass to see if we need to shrink the glass to the outer side of, to the shape of the glass.
All right, I'm about to put this little quarter glass in here. So I've got it upside down. I'm gonna take the liner, pull it back. Get the adhesive wet. I'm gonna carry this thing over to the truck. Try not to touch the adhesive.
We also have our towel down to protect the interior. We do this to every glass. We will be doing it to this windshield.
Pretty
If I can
cool.
get my
These
arm
glasses
all the way
are
down
cool.
here. We have some tools that'll reach. So we'll keep going at it. Start the process of doing this giant ass windshield. So we're gonna spray a little bit of soap on it, and we like to clean them very well. We like to have things really clean, both outside and in, so we get the minimum amount of contamination on our installs. Windshield? No.
Cybertruck.
Scratch that. First Cybertruck windshield. And right now he's trading our fingers. Like we always do. We're shrinking it like a normal windshield. And actually looking pretty well shrink to the bottom. You're shrinking it. Well, we accidentally pulled this off when we were moving the, whatever you call that thing.
Broken.
Just clips right in, has one wire right here. I don't think we're gonna remove this. Looks like we got plenty of room I just gotta make it sure it's really tight.
Can you shine the light up there, Alex?
So we're gonna hand cut it to that edge and then we'll put it in. And
Can you show me the clip thing again, Steve?
clips right here. These two clips pop in. lines up with these two right here. Pretty easy to pop off. They just happen automatically.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna cut out the windshield now by hand, and I'm gonna be using a stainless steel blade. I'm always snapping after every cut. If I stop, I'll snap the blade to ensure that we have a sharp blade cutting the tint. And we don't have big enough film to use the kit, so we are going to just use our 60-inch and cut various areas of it.
What's up, guys? So this is Erik. We're all done tinting his Cybertruck here. It looks great. What do you think, Erik?
It came out great. Now I'm not driving a fishbowl. The front windows are very clear. And at least now we have some heat rejection on that windshield and whatever you call that, the top glass.
Yep.
I don't know, it's Cybertruck.
Sunroof.
And this is Steve. He's the owner of Colorado Detail.
If you guys need your truck tinted, let us know. We're now experts in it. First one, always the hardest, but now we know what to do. Keep going with it. We haven't wrapped it yet. Erik's gonna wrap it himself with some crazy vinyl, but it shouldn't be too hard to do, except for the edges might be a little difficult. So if you guys need anything, we're here for you.